Can I get a sound check? Good, good, good. I'm working with 1 screen and a half, guys. 10 minutes ago, yeah, one computer crash. So Michael will help me in the chart. Hopefully Mayor will come. Great. But just listen, you know, even with 1 screen, and you know what, even with half screen, we can make it happen. So just listen, and we don't have to see exactly the stock that we are talking. I'm talking, I think, a lot verbally, so you can understand exactly what I'm talking about, and I don't see any problem with that. Fine? How are you doing? The turkey is ready? Everything's ready? Hey, Young Chong? Good, good. So we have half day today, and we need to work very carefully, not because it's danger, it will be some of the big players will not appear. And since we don't have the entire day, a call I saw, but there was not any volume. Let me see again, a call. No, now there is a volume. Yeah, let's put a call also on the list. So because we don't have the entire day, we need to work very carefully. We don't have enough time. So we need to keep our money close to our, to our pockets. And for example, I will take partial 3/4 the entire session today. And as it seems right now, much more stocks on the downside. But again, I'm open-minded to everything. And we're supposed to have a good day, I hope so. Yeah, MB looks to me like a buyout. I saw the pattern, it looked like a buyout. You don't have to read, Michelle, okay? So any question if you have until now? Let me see, let me talk a little bit about the market. You see the charts. Just 1 second. I'll try to adjust myself to less space of charts. Right now, I see, the SPY is under 0.5%. The Nasdaq is again the same. Apple is under the 150, unbelievable. And the gold is up, of course, and except that, one of the banks, let's see the bank sector, so everything, there is, when it's rain, everybody's get wet. But, we are a day trader. If we can find specific trends that will show us, and even it's going to be against the atmosphere of the world, we're going to take it, meaning if we see good long trades, I don't have problem to take. I'm not coming biased, okay? So everything is negative, everything is red, but, I found JD, if you look at JD, one of my candidates, and there was a big explosion toward the end of the day of Friday. So hopefully, and there is a good volume right now, it can be a good candidate for us to do something. And one more stock that I have up is PRGO. It crashed on Friday. It's really crashed. I think a lot of percentage. And there's not enough volume right now. And I want to see whether there is some kind of maybe cat that bounce. Maybe it will be a little bit bounce up, but the major trend is down. So again, there is a major trend, but sometimes there is a other small trends. I don't have problem to do this. And what else? ACOR, where it come from? I'll tell you where it come from. Just 1 second. I think it's number 2 on the gainers. This is where ACOR come from, but you can find the stocks from different screeners. Some of them has the same, some of them has others. There is one screener that I like that even give me option for small cap, and I don't have problem to trade. I don't base my entire strategy on small cap, but if I find a decent opportunity, I'm going to trade it like I'm trading Amazon and all the others. Nike, I saw Nike. Let's see why I didn't write it. Nike. Yeah, there was not enough volume. The problem is the volume, guys. Day traders without the volume, it's like, I don't know, give me a good example. I'm open-minded. We need a volume. We need a percentage. If we don't have, we can do maximum trading. It's like a shoemaker without leather. I don't know. We need something. We need the volume. This is why today I'm going to do some really try to do quick partials, slick waters, and put money in pockets. Trading with more volume is like, okay, Glenn, I like that you have a vivid imagination. Good. Maybe the spirit of New York. All those stocks, Michelle, Nvidia, MU, Facebook, AMD, all other sector stocks. You can trade one or all of them. The same attitude, really. My chart does not show me 5 minutes and 1 minute does that, but daily does. Now, so you have to go to the magnifying glass or to the arrow and zoom in. Probably you're way out. If you have daily, just go to the intraday, zoom until you find it. Okay, with the arrows or with the magnifying glass. Okay. Any question, guys? If not, let's have a great day. Again, don't trade without any stop known. There's not much volume today, so you have to be. Ali, it's a call. I mentioned it. A call, not a call. A call. Yeah, we're gonna end. We're gonna put it also on the list. I don't know if Apple. When there is a fear, Ralph, everybody's dropping. This is and this is why right now I'm just collecting numbers because for us, we're just good opportunities, really. These are good opportunities when people are panic, give us a lot of good opportunity because they don't think rationally. And since we are short-term visitors, we can actually do great things about it. How much volume do I need? It depends. I need a certain number. When market open, I need a certain number. After 30 minutes, I need certain numbers. I need numbers. I need 6 digits. And then if I have 7, it's even better. But 6 and up and 6 and up. Probably around 6 and a little bit under before. Immediately I need at least, 6 digits. But I want to see the 3 numbers at first. And then I want to see, because when you see the volume, it means the passion. It means the passion that others see what I see. And together we can make it happen. Rocco, what do you think will be my answer, really? What do you think will be my answer? You're already determined of everything. And I'm going to tell you what you should do, okay? Okay. This is the process I'm doing. I have those stocks, you have those stocks, all those places. Oh, I thought and you just want to, no. Just write those resistance support places. Just write it, the 60, 50, 75. I see in AMD also some good place around the 70, a little bit above. And when market open, then start to watch it, observe it. And if you're going to see certain pattern that give you a good opportunity to get in, then those numbers will help you to identify. Because right now, they are just points, but as market open, I don't know, it can drop immediately above the 75, 50. Don't come with open mind, I'm writing those numbers usually for every stock, but I don't make a decision before that. So you're not going to hear me AMD above or JD above. I have those numbers, like if you watch, for example, JD right now, and what happened to JD? Just a second. JD. So if you watch JD on the pre-market, you actually can see beautiful, the low is 21.30, high is almost 22.50, and around the 22 also there is a nice support. Those numbers will help me to make a decision as market will open, okay? So I think we have less than 2 minutes. Let's have a good day, great day. Be focused, guys. Be focused. Don't just follow because somebody told you. Understand what you're following. Get to know your stop area. Get to know everything, okay? Good. Let's have a green.
Good morning, Amir, everyone. Merry Christmas, Clifton, Gabriel. How are you guys today?
Hey, Michael, how are you?
Amir won't be with us.
I'm excellent.
May is not come to the trading desk this morning. I guess he's out of town or on vacation. So again, guys, weird setup for the market. A couple of hours before Christmas. So let's be very cautious with the trading day today. Remember, we closed today at 1 p.m. 1 or 12:30? I think 1.
Jason, what a question. Jason, what is the question? Is this the first time that you see me in the room? Or Michael, of course we're going to post triggers. Not for you. Definitely, don't worry. Michael and me are posting. Everything's okay. So what's 9:30? So until 1. So 8 o'clock. Okay.
I'm ready with at least 10 triggers in the next 5 minutes, guys. At least 10 triggers in 5 minutes.
Yeah. We're gonna go on amount, Not quality, yeah. We're going to post tons of triggers. Let's have a green day, relax, everything is good, everything is different. Me and Michael trade differently than Scott and Mayer, so it's good. You have a variety, guys. You have a lot of to pick. It's like a big supermarket, you know. Lots of groceries. Some of them good, some of them are even better. I'm not says who. Okay. We'll watch the
Amir,
market,
if you want
of
me
course,
to post
on
the charts and stocks, we know.
Definitely, definitely. If yeah. I'm just observing right now. I'm going to talk about it. If there is something, yeah, I will ask you. Yeah, thank you. I think, Michael, the SPY, it's still on pre-market, no? The chart. I think it's on pre-market.
Yeah, I have the pre-market
Watching
and
the market,
now
right?
the market
Yeah.
is it.
Oh, but change it, the pre-market. You always like to see the pre-market? I usually don't.
No, I can take it off. I can take it off.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. So the first 5 minutes I have to observe the market. First 1 minute shows us if the market wants to close the gap. Let's watch our stocks. TLRY also trying to close the gap. And ACOR. See ACOR. 1360. Okay, you can put on the right chart ACOR. 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 Yeah, Facebook, but we can't do with those kind of bars. We just can't do. We have to give it time to relax and then make the decision. Problem with a core, I'm looking, there is a big spread there. So we need to relax there. You see, Rocco. But I'm not surprised because you see that there is a big buy and move. So need to still observing. Market fourth candle coming back down. MU also closing the gap. I'm assuming Facebook, yeah. Nvidia also. Okay. 26. I'm going to take Roku. And you can see, yeah, 26.90 with 30 cents stop. I'm going to write it to you. Roku on the 26.90 with 30 cents stop. 2690, yeah. It's one of the candidate, looks good. Down. I want to see the next candle. Market just finished the first candle. If we want to see it above the 240 exactly, I'm assuming we're going to go towards closing the gap. And until we're going to be under or above this 5-minute candle, I don't know where we're going. So we have to be very careful. Roku is in. Oh, there's a big spread there. Let's see if it's going. The bid is under. Ask a little bit at the trigger. Okay, Roku looking good. Down in Roku is 2660. This is where we need to. Volume is good. Only thing that we need to see Roku is going down. So we have everything there, 1.5% down. But again, we have a stop over the high, and if it doesn't work, I'm not going to stay there. There's no time today. Low of the market, 38.92. Okay, we broke the low. It's going to help us, I'm assuming, for Roku. Okay. This is what I like to see in the market, the first 5 minutes. It's kind of give you the direction where we're going to. Okay, Roku. Nice. Want to see the ask going under the 2680. Bid. Want to see under the 70, and then we have to break the low, the 0.60. Roku is struggling. Yeah. Let's see more stocks. Okay, Roku. Nice. Want to see the bid going under the 60, then we're going to have a lift off. I hope so. Michael, can you put instead of the SPY Roku? Good. And the daily of Roku looks really good. Really good from our point of view. Stock is just falling nicely. Okay, now look at the spreads, guys. Look at the bid and level 2. Now the spread is 5, 6. It's good. Everything that somebody is throwing, everybody's buying. Everybody dropping. So I want to see the bid going under the 60. That was the low. Right now, if we're going to get into my entry, I'm going to reduce. It's part of my, Okay, nice. The bid is 69. Ask 83. So we have 13. I want to be focused on this. It's very choppy. And volume. We started around 400. We got almost 40% more. Not very much. But As Clifton was saying, it's not a regular day. Yeah, it's going to look at me again. It's coming above my entry. I'm going to reduce half. Still going to keep my stop, original stop. Want to see if it's a retest or AMRN and Tesla. I'm going to look in a minute. Let's see. Okay. Roku, touch our entry. Let's see if it's not going to go above the 90, 92, 93. I want to see the ask not going above. Okay, AMRN 1250. 1250. And stop can be 2050 and 1250 and okay, I'll reduce half on Roku. Roku half. And I saw NBV. I think some of you doesn't have it. I think you don't have some of the opportunity, I think, to trade it short. Okay. This is what I'm going to do with AMRN. I'm going to try to make a very quick scalp there, very small stop, large amount of stocks, and under 1250, I'm going to give it like 7 cent stop, not more than that, meaning I want it happen quickly. If not, bye-bye. Small stop going to allow me to take a big amount of shares. And if it's going to succeed, it'll be pretty fast. So AMRN is on the trigger. JD, yeah, it's okay. I'm in. In AMRN. Nice. Roku, still okay. Maybe I'm gonna, yeah. I'm gonna put my stop in Roku above the 27. I'm not gonna wait for the 27.20. I'm gonna reduce mine to 10 cents. So my stop will be a few cents. Okay, AMRN, 10 cents. Almost risked in something. It's good. I like it. Want to see it going under the 40. Drop. No spreads. Easy stock to maintain. Up. I want to see the bid going under 40. 7 cents. You could take a lot of big amount of shares. Okay, let's see the bid going under. Roku still looking good again. We need to break the 60. We need to break the 60. Break the 60. Okay, 2 trades. Okay, Roku is looking good. Michael, can you put one of the charts, Roku and next to the AMRN? So we're going to see both of them. Roku and AMRN. Okay, AMRN, good. AMRN, we need to break the 40. Okay, Roku looking also good. We want to break the 60, 2 trades. Nice. Nice, AMRN, nice. Nice, AMRN. Like it. Good. 14 cents for me, 40 cents, 2 risk units. I took 7 cents. Exactly, so I'm going to ask you this question. Okay, good. Down. Let's break this 30, 20 cents. Good. Almost 3 risk units. Go. Okay, good. The bid. Under 30. Drop. Nice. 29. Now let's see the ask. Down. Oh, beautiful. 20, 24 cents. Really good. Good. Down. Above 32, I'm going to take a partial. Okay, good. Under 25, good. We have 25 cents. I'm gonna ask a question after that. Let's see if, and Roku also looking good. Oh, 30 cents. Let's break the 20 on the bid. Look at the bid. Bid. Under 20. Go. See all this. Under. Above 30, I'm gonna take a partial. Not before. And Roku. Still okay. AMRN. Still looking okay. Okay. Partial AMRN. Stop above the entry. Told you today I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go and keep my money safe. Okay, we broke the 60. Nice. Now is Roku partial time. Okay. So Roku. Let's go. Okay. We need to break the 26.50. We're gonna have 40 cents. There's not much spread. 10 cents, 9 cents. If you write something and I'm not watching, I'm gonna go after to that. Bid under 26.50. Want to see the passion. Okay, volume is good. 100% more than we enter. Good. I want to wait. This coming Friday, Wednesday, between Thursday. This coming Thursday, I'm going to do the mentoring session. And oh yeah, this is the reason we're going to speak about 5 different ways or few ways to know where to take the partial. And why do I like to wait and not take a small one? Above 55, I'm going to take a partial. Above 55, good. Volume is good. Cool. AMRN is still looking good. I'm watching. I want to see the ask going under the 50, 26.50. Boom. Let's see the boom. 26.44, 26.50. Above 55, I'm going to take my first partial. I'm waiting a little bit. What is the market doing? Yeah, market's keeping down. It's good. The trend is our friend. Roku, nice. Ask bye 50. Nice. Let's break the 40. Still no partial. No partial in Roku. Still no partial. Oh yeah. 26. Above 45, we're gonna take a partial. Above 45, let's break the 30 on the bids. Above 45, I'm gonna take a partial. I'm preparing 3/4. I have 45. My hand on the buy. And I'm gonna click it white now. Click. Nice. 2 trades, 2 profits. Very nice. How many of you took those 2 trades, guys? How many of you? Stop above the entries, guys. Above the entry. Okay? Good start. Good. You took both trades, guys, or just one? You were patient? Oh yeah, look at this. AMRN. Above 12, I'm gonna take another part. This is nice. And the results in AMRN are remarkable, and I'm gonna tell you why. I'm gonna ask you. Don't tell me how much you gain, how much profit. How many stocks did you take on AMRN, guys? How many stocks? Number of stocks that you took in AMRN? 800. You came back to 50? 2000, okay. 2005, okay. Where these numbers come from, guys? Where these numbers come? Okay, I'm on 400 and I don't think it's right. Only 200. So you didn't. It wasn't a trade for you, Moses. Really. Account size. Account size. Okay. Out of 300 green. 1,000. Okay. So this is why. Since I'm using a phrase called unit risk, and sorry, units. It means that I have a specific number. I'm willing to jeopardize every trade. Okay, so let's take some equal number just for you to understand the power of 7 cents. Let's take the $100 as an example. So if, for example, I want to jeopardize only 100 and I have 7 cents stop, how much stocks I can take? If 1,000 is 10 cents, and probably around 1,300, okay? So when you take this kind of amount, because it's 7 cents, then the 30 cents or the half box, if we did right now 50 cents, and you have even 600 shares, it's almost 300 bucks. You understand the power? So this is the power when you adjust your amount according to the stop, and then it's just amazing. And then AMRN is not just we took partial 30, we took partial almost 4 risk units because we jeopardized 7 cents. And this is why this AMRN was much more powerful for me than Rocco, much more. Make sense? Guys, you get what I'm trying to say to you? Yeah. So 400, basically you jeopardize 28 or $30. I don't know, maybe if this is your regular amount, but this was a good. And I know that Michael also like small stop, huh, Michael? You like to trade with small stops. I like every stop,
Definitely
but
on a day like today, definitely. The risk reward on a day like today is very good.
Yeah. So stop above the entry right now, and yeah, Roku above the round number. Let's continue. Good start. You see, guys, I don't have the chart. I have computer and a half, and we're getting along. You got that feel? Okay. No excuses, yeah. Let's keep on. The issue with the market right now, we don't have so much support area because every day we find the low and the low and the low, and it's like a rock that's just dropping, and we need to find those specific stocks that actually can answer us. So let's go over ACOR, cool. And I want to take it to think above the high. 1420, yeah. 1420. We're gonna use like 30 cent stop. Let's see. Yeah, let's prepare for that. Maybe we're gonna adjust for other things. And ACOR 1420, 30 cents. Okay, so we're waiting for our core. Want to see if our stop will be stable. Definitely it marks the entry point. I just want to be completely, yeah, right now it's breaking a little bit. We can add maybe more 10 cents more at 40 cent stop. Still looking good. I like the bars like 4 minutes ago. So we're going to keep an eye on this. How did I know, George? If I will tell you I have to kill you, how do I know? I have experience, I have a method, and that's it, you know. You learn it. You just can't trade out of the blue. Okay? NVM. We took a pause in Roku, guys. Okay? Stop in Roku. I'm still going to keep it above the, you know what, you can do it above the entry. Yeah. So we're not going to even give few cents. MU looks weak. You see, wow. Yeah, MU looks weak. Let's see. 29.15. I'm going to take MU under 29.15 half, and then I'm going to add above 29. So MU, I'm going to take half under 29.15 with 25 cents stop, and add under 29. Okay. So MU is getting close. Want to see the bid going under, not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet. Want to see the ask going also, not yet. There is a struggle under the 29, 15, 14. Want to see a break on the bid, on the ask, sorry. Okay. Now I want to see how, the reason I did in half and another one, just because, you know, 29 can be regular round numbers. Sometimes it has a resistance. Again, I want to be very safe today to trade carefully. So, okay, we're getting into the 29. And I will wait for the 29. Let's see if we have any question. SQ and JD. Okay, SQ and JD. Let's see. SQ and NG. SQ leave a lot of spikes. I saw it earlier. I'm not so. MU was very. I don't know sometimes how to describe it. It was looking that it wants to break. SQ. I don't know. JD. I don't know. I can't read it. ACOR, right, guys? ACOR. I'm going to use 40 cents, still above 14.20. And MU still didn't break the 29. ACOR is getting close. Again, PLG on and Facebook. Let's see. I don't know. I need to observe it a little bit. Facebook's, I don't know. Facebook's, the view up looks to me like it's a big resistance. It might break it, but I really don't know. You know, when I'm not sure, I'm just gonna observe it. And exactly, messy. It looks messy. Has looked like a mess. I don't know. It was dropping and now it's going out. I don't know. Really, I can't read it. Just can't read it. MU. Okay, ACOR is in. We'll see the volume. We'll see the volume getting higher. And MU above 40. I'm not gonna be there. Again, this is why I started with half position. It was looking good, but I knew that the 29 might be a problem. So still gonna wait and look. Cool. Around 15, there is the next resistance on ACOR. So we have a kind of three-way. Don't see any increase of the volume there. MU. Yeah. I'm out of the MU half. So I've lost there. And I want to see ACOR getting above the 1450. It was in the announcement that Doge, everything is there. Baba? See Baba? Baba is too extended. I just can't read it. JD, 1975, 10 cents. We're a little bit late. under 1970 with 15 cent stop. Let's do it. What is the low? Just a second. JD under 1970, 15 cent stop. Okay? I'm gonna write it quickly. 1970, 15 cent stop. Well, it's still keeping on. ACOR. 1450, 30 cent stop. I'm gonna add in a call and write it. I'm gonna write to you, but ACOR above 1450, I'm gonna add with 30 cent stop. A nice bull flag. I like the volume almost a million. 1450 with 30 cent stop. I didn't take a partial yet. It's a little bit advanced, of course. This is the area you could actually think about maybe taking some partial, but I think the strength is in the stock. Good, Fabrizio. Good. Merry Christmas. Very nice. You can still buy presents. Yeah. So 14, 15. Michael, can you put the chart of ACOR? ACOR? Oh, looking good. You know what? Even 20 cents I'm going to do. The adding of 1450, 20 cents. I forgot to write the JD. Okay, guys, I forgot to write the JD. Hopefully you listen or not. I forgot to write it and I forgot to enter it, to tell the truth. both. Because it was extending higher and I was thinking that the stop right now is 20 cents. It's above the 88, okay? Because it still keep high and then fix it. So if some of you are there, stop could be above the 88, like 20 cent stop, okay? Okay, so this is where traders, this is where your stop's supposed to be. Yeah, it's looking good. I didn't take it. I don't know why. Okay, a call. Still retesting. Didn't break the 1450. Market is open down.
Unbelievable, guys. We're down another 2%. Fresh new lows for the year. This is the Christmas present from the market.
Red Santa, Michael. Yeah, I can't remember, my career history, December like this. But they say I think it was the worst from 1930. No, the worst December.
Yeah, we weren't trading in 1930, so I guess we cannot remember. Really, it's like the worst. I don't want to say, I remember Christmas, holiday season. It's always a positive, very mellow move higher. I guess not this year.
Yeah,
the Wi-Fi was weak in 1930.
Okay, so we have a new low. We have to be very careful. AMRN still in. My stop is above the 50 and Roku, course I'm out. I had a small profit there because I was reducing and it's fine, you know. I didn't know that what's going to happen. I don't even need to think about it. MU, and observe MU again. 2230. Yeah, so PLGO, but I don't know how to eat it. I really don't know how to eat it. No, core is looking good. A core is retesting our entry, and a core is looking good. Core is looking good. You want me to see? I'm not in JD, but let's see. Yeah, JD is struggling now. You know, above 90, it can just fly high because there's no resistance. This is why your stop has to be there. Don't forget that JD has big momentum on the end of Friday. Look at the chart. So if we need to see a follow-up above 90, there is an opportunity for moving like almost 70 cents. So if you are there in shorts, you have to place your defense order definitely in JD. Alfred, you tried to pull my legs, huh? I told you I won't trade it the way it was the pattern. Again, I will ask you the regular question, why and what was your trigger, where was your protection, where was your stop? Probably you're not going to give it to me. You just want to trade right now that if you're going to do 10 trade like this, you're going to lose your account, definitely your package. And so don't be so, with all the happiness, don't just copy paste it, okay? Because every trade need to have a reason. Getting money is not a reason, okay? Facebook. I can understand the Facebook. The problem is, market is still under the view. Facebook is a market stock. And I want to be very careful. There is 50, I don't know. I will wait. I will wait. I know, Jason. I'm almost posting a trigger above it. Yeah. I'm just observing it in different time frame. Yeah. I'm really almost there. JD 1990. I think 20-cent stop. I'm gonna do it. JD. Yeah. JD. Very related to what happened on something on Friday. All the
Amir,
Chinese
did you pay
stocks looks
attention?
really good.
Dell is down 25%.
Who?
Dell, DVMT. I never trade this stock anymore, but I just know I'm looking now at the top 20, down 25% on whatever earnings or something. Now I see it's like trading very bad, like huge spreads.
They deserve it. They deserve it, Michael, because one of the computer that crashed to me with all the screen, it's Dell. So yeah, this is why. This is why I'm trading, with two screens because of Dell. Computer crash. Yeah, definitely, Clifton. Yeah. Even though I can be flexible, but to discover it 10 minutes before when you basically doesn't have option to do nothing, it's like it's not fun. Yeah, ACOR was reducing. Yeah, there is a stop under the 1380. Yeah, I didn't take any partial there. No, I didn't. I just didn't take a partial there. JD is still looking good. Market is on the VWAP right now, so I want to wait for new trades until I'm gonna understand what's going on with the market. Jason, but JD didn't get to the 90. If you are still there, I don't think something has to be changed. You still need to be there, and I think if you use a stop order just above 90, before that, you shouldn't. Just think about those small cap, the Marine, AMRN 1150. Where will be the stop? Wow, stop is big. Stop is big. AMRN, Sean, I'm watching it. This is how I see it, Sean. AMRN, if you add, you probably can have like 20 cents and 22. No. Risk reward is a little bit more than 1-to-1. Let's keep with what we have, I think. Yeah. I don't think it's a good. No. FedEx. I don't know. Michael, what do you think about Yuxin? YXIN?
Looks amazing, but
Nine.
it's very extended. We need to buy it on a pullback, not on a breakout.
I don't know. I don't know if we're gonna have a pullback. You know, there is a nice big volume on the green one. Then it's doing for the side. Let's see the daily. Daily, the high. Let's see. There's not much spread, so you know I can compare it to AMRN, this ridiculous stock with the spreads. It's terrifying just to look at the level 2. But XIN right now.
AMRN is too spready to trade.
Well, let's see what it. Yeah, it's ridiculous.
Guys, watch also OSTK is also a long candidate. Hopefully it's going to pull back more to the 1340, maybe to the VWAP area.
Looks good, Michael. OSTK. Looking really good. Really good.
The market is sitting at the lows in a bear flag formation.
Amir, I was watching TLRY. I was watching on the opposite side that you mentioned. But it's not clear to me. It's not clear, definitely. Michael suggests an OSTK. Look at OSTK. It's look very clear to one direction. Looking really good. 1382. There's some problem with the 14 area on the daily. The volume again, look at the volume. Right now we are almost an hour, 300 shares, 300,000 shares. It's not so powerful. It's not. ADIL. It's too extended. We need a certain pattern. Right now it's It's too extended. CDOW. Let's see. Up is bigger. Looking at NVIDIA. $127.50 looks good. If the market will break up, NVIDIA's market stocks can do something. I want to be prepared. So we'll take NVIDIA, 70 cent stop above the 127.50. The good formation here. And this is a stock that can do beautifully. Let's see what the market is doing. SPY is exactly on the V up right now. Nasdaq is above, so I have to see Apple. Yeah. I think it looks, if they'll continue, NVIDIA will follow it. Yeah, I was waiting for JD. Yeah, I was waiting. Michael, can you put the chart of JD 5 minutes so we're going to see the half day of Friday in JD? Next to NVIDIA, you can take OSTK and yeah, extend it in 5 minutes. We're going to see the Friday few hours of the last day. Few hours of the previous, JD. No, where are we? Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So you see something happened there. And if we're going to break the round numbers, now, if you're going to see all the changes, the Baba, BZUN.
The news on JD, where the CEO is not going to get indicted on a felony charge or something like that. So it had nothing to do with the company performance or anything like that. This is, I think, why the market reversed
But
the
I
stock
see, look at
altogether.
Oh. But look at BZUN. Look at Baba, you know, those Chinese stocks, maybe because of JD, I don't know. I don't know, but JD right now, above the 20, and there's no resistance here like until 2060. I think there's no resistance. And if we're going to do it, NVIDIA is also in, guys. So we are in 2 trades right now. You see increase. JD had a good volume. Yeah, good volume. NVIDIA, 30 cents, but we want more. I need NVIDIA at least 129, something like this. I will consider something to take. Not before that. Michael, your OSTK, Michael. 1382, what do you think right now? Like 20 cent stop? What do you think? OSTK?
I should have bought it cheaper. It's extended to me. Not gonna buy it now.
Extended? Okay. I think the next candle is crucial in the market. I want to see if we can go over this and just say bye-bye to the view up. Right now we're still on the view up. We can bounce back. And this is why you see NVIDIA is now scrolling a little bit down. JD, what was the high? 2011. Patient. Tesla. Tesla is weak, but I don't think I'm gonna take something. The pattern is not so good for me. No, it's not. Okay, NVIDIA, going back. JD, going back. We need to see JD above 2012. We need NVIDIA to be above 128. Then we see the kaching. Okay, market is looking good. We have another 15 seconds. Market need to be above 238.35. Okay. You want to send me a gift certificate, Errol? Yeah, I'm fine with this. Yeah, we'll give you. Okay, we finished this candle. Let's see pullback of the market, and then we're going to see NVIDIA above 128 and JD 20. So we haven't seen our AMRN, MU, ACOR, NVIDIA, and JD. No? I'm surprised, you know, from the amount of trading. You know, there is some rockstars. NVIDIA. Okay, JD is looking good. Yeah, definitely, David. We had 6 trades. AMRN, MU, ACOR, NVIDIA, JD. Yeah, much more than I was expected, and I think each one of them has a good reason. Right now, NVIDIA looking good. I want to see it above 128, and I want to see JD above 2012, and then we can have two good trades. And then we can do a poll, and we can mark it as a Christmas poll.
Finally, the market is showing strength.
Okay, JD is above the high. NVIDIA, wow, nice. You took NVIDIA and JD, guys. Who is there? JD, NVIDIA. Couldn't catch. Yep. Good. So I told you, my aim from NVIDIA is the 129 at least. I want to see. It's not that I have like a destiny, but it doesn't mean that. Michael, can you put JD next to NVIDIA on the chart? Oh, you put already. Thank you. Yeah. JD has a problem. If JD is going to go under the 90, I'm going to reduce right now. NVIDIA looking good. NVIDIA is looking good. We are $1. I want a little bit more. Yeah, I think if the market will do a nice move right now, NVIDIA just follow it and even much nicer. Yeah, I like it. I want to see just JD. Facebook, Asim, without even looking, I'm assuming Facebook is doing the same. Yeah, with less passion, to tell you the truth, less passion. And if you put AMD, let's see. I think NVIDIA is doing it better. And NVIDIA, look what nice about NVIDIA, you actually can see the passion. You see it in higher lows, and about if we're gonna pass the 129, 130, here we come. So it's good. JD, nice. We're gonna have like 30 cents. Also in JD, I want small. 2060, something like this will be my first area. Okay, NVIDIA. Want to see more? New high to our trade. Nice, nice, nice. Market, look at the market, guys. We kind of find a stock that is represented the market, and we started trade a little bit before the market was doing what it's doing, and it's looking good. Yeah, you remember, guys, what I told you. You remember? You can go to the YouTube, I think, and see. I really don't care about the spirit, you know. Everybody has an apocalypse on the market, red, blood in the streets. You know, who cares? I told you. We're day traders. And day traders can have beautiful opportunities. And most of our trade, you know, Rocco was down, AMRN down, MU, you know, we did a core up, NVIDIA up, JD up. Okay, guys, bye-bye, 1929, looking good. And let's see 130, okay? We have $2 in 129 in NVIDIA. Really good one. So we have a $2. I think we need some sound, no? We have a sound for this, gling gling. Yeah! We have the gling gling going. Thank you. Like it. like it. Okay. Under 129, we're going to take a partial in JD. I'm going to take a partial here. It will be like 20 cents, but I think there is a struggle in here. I'm going to take a partial JD. I'm going to raise my stop under the entry. Okay, I told you I need to. We need to, you know, be aware of today's a small day. So So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades, guys. I'm just curious. How many trades did you take today? How many trades? 3 or 4, yeah. This was my, I think this was my, I thought this was my suspicion. Yeah. 40% right now took, guys, vote. I just want to see. No. Don't write here. Just write on the poll. Okay? Just write on the poll. Good. We'll ask you another question in a second. This is a question you always like. And the next question, I'm just curious. I don't know where JD is heading. You know what? I really don't care. I don't care. I had I thought you see the charts. I was expecting for something. I knew where is my target. I knew where is my stop. I made my decision, and that's it. Yeah. Wow, guys, I'm a little bit surprised, but this is why you just can't come with expectation. You know, this is why I told you I don't like to put triggers on the pre-market. I don't like to say this and that because every day is a new day, and then we can actually. 85% of the people today were green, and I think we had some work, so it's a good day. Yeah. So it's a nice day. So, okay. No. You should have a system that you work all the time, Jason. You just can't think about this, that you're gonna do this because this was a winning trade. You don't know where you're gonna do. This is why you do the risk unit, and then you jeopardize the same amount. So I have the first portion in NVIDIA. I'm raising my stop to the entry, and JD took small portion that I wanted. I'm gonna raise my stop under the entry. I think I'm gonna take now, guys. I need to fix something to send my computer because we have stuff to do on Thursday. I want the computer to be ready. So I'm gonna leave you like 25 minutes, something like this. I will come back for the last, hour and a half. So Michael, you're gonna take control. I'm gonna come in about 20 minutes. Okay?
Sure, no problem, Amir. Guys, we're coming off the highs of the day. Anybody that's looking at UXIN looks good over the highs. 891. That's with a 12-cent stop loss. 891. And well, rejected again anyway. Let's wait for this one, guys. 891 on UXIN. Let me see if we can find anything interesting at this point. We have Facebook, which is very strong today, up 3%, 3.5% actually, leading the Nasdaq. Baba is strong, but Facebook is very, very strong. Carlos, have a great holiday. Merry Christmas. And see you, of course, after the holiday. Okay. Now we have a pullback on the market. So again, maybe this is the good thing. We will pull back, hit the view up, and then look for longs again. Assuming we will continue the trend to the upside. At this point, we are down on the Qs 1/3%. The SPY is a bit weaker, down 0.9. Is FL overbought? Let's take a look. I don't know. Well, let's put it this way. It was very strong Friday. Good move up to the upside today. I cannot call it overbought, but you know, whenever you buy at the highs, it's you know that you don't have a great entry. So wait for a pullback if you want to buy it. It's not overbought, but you know, it's going to move probably like the market, meaning lower right now. DVMT, wow, under 76. Well, let's put it this way, CJ. Looks amazing. The only question I have to you, if you're watching it, what about 77? Because now you're going to face, you know, probably resistance. The stop loss, I don't know, not a bad stop loss. I like say 35 cents, maybe 40. The problem is that you have like, and I didn't pay attention to that before, big spreads, meaning 20 cents, maybe they open to more. So you need to be very cautious with this one. It's risky, especially when you see it coming down $1, hitting support, and it looks a bit extended. Still, you know, the stock is down 26%. Another 2 or 3% won't make or break this day for Dell. It's already a disaster. I'm watching CAG basically all day, but this is CAG. Again, 21 entry. If you got this one into this one, like with a 10-cent stop loss, that's it. Because it's not a good mover. It's very weak on the daily, but it's not a good mover, Hassan. Very extended also on the daily to the downside. I think I'm hoping for you that you can get 20 cents on this move. If it's going to happen, good for you. We are at the VWAP. Let me take a look at Microsoft. Microsoft is more likely than any other stock to move like the market. And under 96, Joel, good if the market is going to move lower. Right now, the market hit the VWAP. Probably we're going to move higher. And actually, I see a better entry at 96.50 if the market is going to move higher than short under 96. Both of them will work with the market anyway. DVMT Dell is tempting, but I can tell you it looks like a trap here. Be very cautious with the spreads and with the move. And with the market coming off the view up to the upside. Look at the spreads now, 35 cents. Very low volume under 76, very low. The stock is down 30% and it's trading only 800,000 shares. That's weird. I don't know. Maybe it's a split or something. I don't know. Something's wrong here. I don't know. But I do know that I don't want to trade this short play. So we hit the view up, move immediately higher. Not a surprise. See at the highs, 520, 50-20. Not a great entry point because you have a 40-cent stop loss and the risk reward is not good. I don't see C making now over lunch 40 cents to the upside. SQ looks very good over 50 to 50 in a good market. And I don't see another entry point. I mean, the highs are 50 to 50. I mean, this is a very good mover per se, but I don't see another entry point. Now it's already over 52. So 52 was a good entry point for it. The SPY is not doing much, but it's positive. Sorry, it's not positive for the day, but it's trading higher. I would definitely look for long plays and not short plays at this point. Amazing reversal on AMRN. Guys, remember the breakdown at 12:50 in the morning? It was almost at 13. Now it looks to me like a long play. Definitely will watch this one. No, we traded a good range and a good trend until now. Now let's hope that the market won't ruin what it did so far, which was a very good and normal trading day. Yeah, I agree that the daily on AMRN is terrible. It's no longer the winner that it was a month ago. And but I don't care today that much about the daily. I mean, all the stocks have terrible daily charts. So this is not a problem if we can find a long play. All the stocks are terrible. Show me one that's not. Maybe there is one, but not more than one, I guess. Actually, guys, KMB was very, very strong until today. I don't know what happened to KMB today. I guess there's profit taking there, which is, a bit worrisome still. KMB looks weak. CLX also, the same sector, also weak. PRGO finally broke lower after looking up, following, I don't know, how would I call it, Friday's disaster, where it moved down like 40% or 30%, I don't know. Guys, the stock was 75 a month ago. 35 today, wow, this is like 50% in a month. This is brutal. Wait, to lose 50% in a month? ADIL, let me take a look. ADIL. The stock is up Volume is good. Under VWAP, the trend is to the upside. So you're playing now a counter trend play. If at all, maybe under 5, risking 20 cents. That's also an option. But it's definitely counter trend. Now we're breaking lower under the VWAP. SQ also moved lower. Facebook moved lower. Baba moved lower. But maybe this is the good thing. We'll have to see. We still have, I'm guessing, an hour of good trading. Maybe an hour and a half. Chinese internet stocks are strong today. The MCHI index is up half a percent, almost half a percent, when the rest of the market is red. Q's down 0.4, the SPY down 1.1. And somebody's buying Chinese internet stocks. Let's see if I can find something. WB, I think, was strong today. Yeah, WB very strong today, coming, I guess, the lows of the year, but good luck finding an entry point on it. OSTK is very extended to the upside. I didn't want to buy it at 1380 or 90, being extended. Now it's at 1410. I will need to wait for a pullback. Maybe there's going to be a pullback, maybe not. Wow, UGI Corporation. UGI going to zero today. Look at what happened today on UGI. I don't know, but the volume now that I'm seeing it is like terrible. Okay, I think I have a short play for us. 33.90 short on CPB. Look at the daily on CPB. Stop like 12 cents. The lows are 33.86 though. Okay, I want to trade this one. So guys, what's the weather in the States? I mean, nobody's buying chunky soup. It's still warm all over because this is like a cold weather food that's probably not selling very well. Well, in Canada, but the Canadians are not enough. I mean, a Campbell soup needs bad weather in the U.S. to make money. So what? So you're not eating enough soup. Look at the price action, down 5% today. Again, it's a very late entry though. Look at the move lower, which we missed, the reversal, which we missed. And this is a bear flag formation that, shorting a bear flag when this is your first entry, not great. Let's put it this way. Anybody that leaves Canada in the winter, being that I lived in Canada 3 years, and actually I was there until a year ago almost. And since last year I did not go back because I cannot stand the weather, especially in the winter. Terrible. Well, it depends where you live. If you live in Montreal, it's terrible. But if you live on the west side, it's a little bit milder. And if you live in the middle, it's pure hell. But I'm hearing that everybody's leaving to Florida for the winter. The birds and the people. Yeah, I lived in Toronto like 3 years, but it was like more than 20 years ago. And I basically have an apartment in Montreal that I was supposed to go there this summer. I didn't go. I had other businesses, and maybe next summer. So what about a new trade, guys? Can we find one? Yeah, always very extended to the downside. Always very extended. Look at the chart. We missed this trade, and I wanted to take this trade, and forgot about it, and did not see the 6150. Now it's 6050. It's too extended to the downside to get into a short play here. That's my take. This stock is also very strong. AMBC, very strong. But again, very low. Most of the stocks have a very low volume today, if not all of them. CGC started today, I think at the yearly lows, 26 or near yearly lows. Look at this horrible daily chart, and found some buyers. Worth watching, but I don't know how to trade it at this point. You know what I'm thinking that's right now. Look at the price action. We are pretty much, I'm guessing, done. But let's be optimistic. We still have like we are at 11 now, 11:15. Maybe we do have some juice in this market. Let's take a look at NEO. NEO. It's at the lows of the year. Is it a long play? Well, the risk is like 40 cents to the lows of the year, and you buy it here, you're lucky. The market's gap is gapping up Wednesday. Maybe this one can continue higher. It's not a weak or trending lower stock. It's just like maybe it's a little bit even better than the market, but I cannot say that it's like a long play. There are no long plays in this market right now because the overall trend is down. And if something major is going to happen Wednesday morning or Thursday, meaning another leg down, a big leg down, the market can pick up speed, margin calls, ugly stuff like that, and then everything is going to drop no matter if it doesn't matter what stock you're going to have, it's going to drop like a stone. So I will be cautious with swinging anything to the upside. And we're not looking like we're going to close the day at the highs. We're looking like since Amir left, I think the luck of the market changed. KMB can be shorted under the 109, which are the lows of the day, or you wait for a pullback if it's going to come. Yeah, I guess Santa was very cheap this year. No presents for the market. And after performing amazingly for about 10 years, Santa is like not doing very well. But again, guys, keep in mind, those were 10 years, 10 long years, maybe 9, I don't know. Doesn't matter. A long period of time where the market did not pull back almost at all, not to mention 2017, and it was about time. It's not a bad thing. You see now, guys, that the range of the 5-minute bars on the SPY dropped significantly, and the volume. Well, let's wait. Let's wait 2 or 3 more bars and see if anything is happening, because you don't want to trade a zero-moving SPY into Christmas just for the sake of another trade. JD also stopped moving. Guys, if you want me to look at anything, let's take a look at Roku. Wow, Roku at 28. Oh my God, this is like unbelievable. I traded the stock 2 months ago at 70. This is pure carnage. I don't know. I mean, the way it's trading, the only way to make money to the long side is to buy very, very cheap. Or short it at the highs. I mean, it's like, look at the trend on the daily. Look at the volume, of course, today, no volume, but until you see a day or two, I mean, a big day or two, which will, bring attention to the stock, I don't think you should buy it. Yeah, many stocks, I agree, have high. This is not a small cap. Market closes at 1 p.m., but we're going to close as soon as 12:30, maybe 12:15. I'm not thinking that I'm going to do anything into the close here. And we're looking lower now again. I think, though, that the first hour and a half was very good. A move lower, then a sharp move higher. And this was much better than expected. Much better. Normally, you don't have markets. Actually, nothing happens on days like today. Clifton, how is Florida? You have snow or anything that resembles Christmas? Or you are, or you are in your bathing suit? The guys from Canada are complaining. Send them a picture. Thomas, where are you in Canada? What part of Canada you are in? Near Toronto? Oh, okay. -7 is not. I agree. -7 is not that cold, but +20 is better. 30, when was it? No, sorry, 20 something years ago. Actually, it was almost 30. 30 years ago, I almost went to school in Edmonton. And in the last second, decided not to go there because it was, a bit out of my reach. Guys, I'm thinking we can try a trade to the downside if anybody is into a trade, because I'm thinking that we're gonna close at the lows. We tried higher, rejected. We tried to sit at the VWAP, rejected again. Now we are. Let me see. I have this one, XCL, but you see it's like sitting at this bear flag formation for the last basically 30 minutes since 11, and now moved down 10 cents. Anything we do from the lows is not going to be probably a big winner. CPB the same. CPB is the same. At the lows now, sitting at this 35, 33.80, 70 range, and in this 10-cent range, basically it's almost an hour. A big mover is KMB under the 109, but this one is now at 109.50. Now it's like I don't see amazing stuff happening from now till the close, really. UXIN also cooled off, pulled down from the from the 890, like 10 cents. PCG, okay, we forgot about this one. PCG and XPO. Yeah, PCG broke out now over the highs. So let's take a look at XPO also. XPO is also at the highs. You know, guys, this stock is very strong. SGMS, coming off the lows of the year, scientific games. Maybe they're selling many products into this holiday season. Look at this fake news move, but now we have a continuation. 1640. Yeah, I was thinking longest GMS. Now I'm looking at the volume, and not amazing. I mean, it had one good volume bar all day on this spike here, and that was it. CAG can be a short play. It's at the VWAP, meaning 12.25, sorry, 21.25, meaning a 10-cent risk for move lower. Again, I mean, everything is going to be very, very slow, if at all. Yeah. The risk is not a problem. I mean, the chances of having a good move, when you see what's going on now, that's like nothing is moving. If you can get something to move 10 cents, that's, wow, a big accomplishment. I think we're pretty much done, let's face it. Tesla short, I mean, Tesla has been terrible today. So obviously it's not a long play anymore on the daily. Look at the daily on Tesla. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days. One which was barely a dodgy day. So the trend even on Tesla, the trend on the daily change. I don't know if it is a good thing for Tesla to be a cheap entry now, or why is the Tesla moving lower? Because it managed a very, very strong move despite the market in early December. Now it's moving lower with the market. And like I said, I mean, if the market will decide or investors will decide for the market that it will move further lower, everything is going to dive. Yeah, I'm guessing there are no bulls around anymore at this point. They can come back. They will come back. The question is only when. Energy stocks also had a brutal month. Very, 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 very bad month for the whole sector. ExxonMobil down to the lows of the year also. Wow, terrible. No place to hide in this market. Bitcoin down sharply these past 3 months. Oil sharply lower. Financials lower. Semiconductors sharply lower. Really, maybe household products were a place to go, but not very many trading opportunities on the long side. Guys, forget about UXIN at 890. It's at 830 now. Oh my God, SGMS did work out? Shit. Oh. I was watching this entry at 16:40:45. Did not take it. Nice move, though. I hope anybody took this trade. Will be your last one for today because pretty much we don't doing anything right now. I mean, this is one out of the chances of getting a good move is really, really slim right now, if at all. MU, let me take a look. MU is not doing much, as you can see. A nice move higher in the morning. And since then, zero. Basically sideways and sideways and more sideways. I will stay out of this stock. You cannot expect it to do anything in this, zero volume, zero moving environment, and nothing's gonna happen. The market closes today at 1 p.m., but we're gonna close maybe, I don't know, 20 minutes, 10 minutes. I don't think you can short UXI, and it's not shortable, but you can try it. The move was more than 50 cents to the downside. Lower, so... Now we're moving lower. Facebook pulled under the VWAP, BABA at the VWAP, NVIDIA down almost to the breakout level, which was 127.50. And since then, basically, NVIDIA was, at one point almost touching the 130. Now big pullback with the market, and guys, maybe we still gonna have a bad day. After looking very good in the morning, which was only an hour and a half ago, now we're looking to break under the lows, and that's sad. Oh, this is a questionable market. At best, I don't want to say terrible market, but let's be, passive. Of course, the stock that I was stopped watching because it was up to 109.50 now is under 109. This is KMB, and many stocks that were green at one point are now turning ugly. Basically, all my watch list is now sharply red, other than Facebook, which was at 1.3%, 3.5%, now 1.2%. And TVIX is looking to break over the highs, I guess. Again, I'm pretty much done. I'm not going to trade again anymore today. This is like the last hour into the holiday, and not expecting anything in this thing. Short Facebook 126. Let's put it this way. Facebook today, if you watch the chart of Facebook, it's maybe the strongest stock in the Nasdaq, or one of the strongest. So this is how it opened the trading day today. Sharply up, and now it may serve as support because it's a strong stock. Now, if the market's going to take a big dive under the lows, of course, Facebook is going to follow, but assuming it's not going to happen, you cannot short Facebook today because this is a strong stock. Actually, Katura, if you did, there was a good time frame to trade today, but only early in the morning, the first hour. Since then, not that much. Guys, if you look at the daily on Facebook, Facebook broke Friday on very high volume to the lows of the year. Today it started with a gap down, but buyers came in. So look at the big pullback from 124 almost to 130. So almost $5.5, $6 move from the lows to the highs on Facebook. That's a big deal. How it's going to close, we'll see. But it's not interesting how Facebook closes the trading day. What's more interesting is the S&P 500. And the S&P 500 chart is a troublesome one because we are actually, guys. You know what's great about this move? It's such a slow move lower with zero panic because there isn't even one big red bar on the S&P 500. Not even one. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 days, 12 red days in a row. But I don't see any panic here, so we're moving lower, fine. But let's hope that we're not going to hit, the big 4 or 5% move anytime soon. May happen. Tesla is at 300 since basically 10 a.m. So 2 hours it's spending here. If you really want to short it, I would ask you why. This is not the good timing to short it unless the market is going to break lower and continue. Maybe it's going to pull Tesla lower. But as you can see, basically, it's where it started 10 a.m., 9:45 actually. So basically, all day was spent here above 300 and under, a couple of, a dollar or two up and under. Guys, if anybody has long plays to carry over, be very cautious. We're going to probably close at the lows, and I don't know how we're going to open Wednesday. So stay out of long plays. Yeah, TVIX is not a long play, it's a short play on the market. Yeah, TVIX is at the highs, and look at the price action here. JD is also lower. KMB was the winner for after lunch. Sorry, not after lunch, but for a good trade under this bear flag. Had you asked me, I would have said the risk is like 60 cents. It won't be able to make more than that. It did almost $1. Sorry, 80 cents. Joseph May is not here today. He's going to be coming back from his vacation after Christmas on Wednesday. Okay, now the market decided to move higher from the lows. And Facebook moved higher from the 126 in a quarter. Baba, the same. There is now, if anybody has a position or anything on NVIDIA, if not, if you do, you can use the 128 as your final stop loss, being that this is the first pullback since it started moving higher in the morning. If not, if you're not in this trade, even better.
Hey, Michael, came back.
Amir, you left us with the market at the highs. Look where we are.
You know, this is why I told everybody, I'm gonna take 3 quarters, I'm gonna raise my stop, and I'm gonna play defense. So, yeah, definitely. Definitely. There's not There's no continuous, huh, Michael? It's like everybody is afraid. Everybody is afraid. JD, yeah, JD. Look at JD. JD, everything was open. NVIDIA. So, yeah.
The first hour of trading, hour and a half, were very good. After that, not that much, but still a very good trading day overall. Taking into account everything that happened.
You were right about OSTK, Michael. It did maybe 30 cents and then drop everything. So you were absolutely right. Yeah.
It's going to be on my watch list for Monday. Hopefully it can continue. And it's going to continue if the Bitcoin price will move up a little bit.
Jason, people here use the Twix too much. The word, you know. In order to get into the Twix, you need specifically, it's not market drop down Twix. You need a certain formation. You need something, really. I do trade on the Twix, and some of them I even do without you. Definitely because it's very dangerous tool, really. It works nice when it works to your direction, but you need to be very strict about where you need to go out, because then it can damage you, really. Don't wave me with the. I'm not impressed. You know, I'm happy for you. You did money, but it's a dangerous tools. You need to know how to work with this, and yeah. The Christmas dinner is today, no? Tonight, no, guys? Tomorrow is the time when you take the present from the tree, or you already took the presents?
Tonight, Santa is coming
no,
down
Jason,
the chimney to feed the children and give them presents and everything.
Okay. No, Jason, well, I don't think you need to be happy when you're red. I think we had a good trading. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trade. JD NVIDIA was positive. AMRN was positive. Rocco was positive. MU half lost. ACOR, you could take partial. I was waiting, so I just, raised my stop to the entry. So I'm celebrating. No. Even though I like those, I think this is one of the best holiday. When I used to live in the States, this is a beautiful time. Between the Thanksgiving and the Christmas, really nice. It's some holidays you actually can say it's a beautiful holidays. This is, yeah, definitely. So you have to learn, Jason. Yeah, you have to work. You have to work with plans. You have to work you have to know what you're doing in every time of the day, every time of the season. And I knew exactly how I'm going to work today, really. Good, Leroy, good. Okay. Wednesday, I'm not going to be here. I'm taking some vacation, but I'm going to be here. I'm going to join Michael a lot on Thursday. We're going to trade, and we're going to have also the mentoring at 3:15. So you have a vacation for me on Wednesday. Again, Jason, if everything was working until OSTK, and I'm telling this all the time, one stocks can destroy your day. If you didn't have any work plan, you didn't know where to exit, you didn't know how to plan your trade before, then it caused you to damage, something is wrong. Something is wrong. One trade can't explode your day, and even two trades, really. Maximum can be two losses that you already decide the amount. Except that, I don't have problem with trades that I'm losing, but I'm getting out where I should supposed to. Problem with most of you that you have to give your lost trades freedom, and you cash your winners quickly. So do opposite. You know, when it's a losing trade, think about it as a winner. Then you know exactly what to do. When you have a winner, think about it as a losing trade. Again, you know exactly what to do. So yeah, right. Look at those trades. Get the conclusion. So it's not gonna happen again, Jason. The mistakes are pretty common, really. It's not something that's just dropped from the moon. You know, the mistakes are pretty common. Yongsheng, how was your day? Minor green plus 100. I'm going to send you a handkerchief. African is a good one. Yeah. Happy holiday, mister. Happy holiday. Your fiance came already, Yongshen? Yeah, I don't think it's a wrong idea. Again, I will find something to do, but again, you can use the last hour half risk maybe. Yeah. If you did good profits, I don't say you have to stop trading. You can low your risk. That's for sure. You too, Yongshan. Have a great holiday. Market closed tomorrow, yeah. You have full time to spend with Santa, Stephen. You and Santa. That's it. Let's see if we can find more things to do. Hi, Moses. Alfred, how long do you trade, Alfred? I'm looking at SJMS, don't have a trigger yet, but I'm looking. How long do you trade it, Alfred? Good, Michelle. 1.5 years. Okay. Now, how's your results? I mean, dealing with the big guys, you know, with Netflix, Tesla, Nvidia. Okay, okay. There is a reason for me to give you this, to ask you, and I will share it with you. Why? But I'm curious. Dealing with Tesla, Netflix, again, Nvidia, all the big guys, TLRY. Grish. What is the meaning of this word? Not familiar. Grishite. What does it mean? I'm not familiar. Give me in English, in understandable English.
Guys, happy holidays. And we are breaking under the lows. Well, we were for a split second. Ignore the markets. The markets need also a vacation. Actually, the best thing to do was for the markets to take a long vacation, rethink what is going on, and then come back. But we're going to be back Wednesday. I think Amir is not going to be here. Amir is not going to be here Wednesday, aren't you? But the mayor is going to be here.
No, Wednesday. No, I'm going to join you on. I'm going to yeah.
Maybe Danny's going to be here, and I know Scott is on vacation until Friday.
Alfred, I didn't understand the words. Tell me again.
He said appreciate.
No, I don't think he's appreciate. I was asking about.
He said appreciate. He appreciates what you did for him.
Yeah. No, I didn't do nothing. I was just asking if he was trading, how is his experience trading Tesla, TLRY, Netflix, all of those guys. And okay.
Guys,
Because I'm going to tell
there
you,
is something that
I did some mentoring. Continue, Michael. I will finish it after you.
Trading TLRY and Tesla is 10 times as tough as trading Facebook and Apple. Period. Don't trade those.
You can trade them, but you need to have experience. And if you have lack of experience, don't, because this is what I'm telling you. One of my students on the mentoring, and I was examining his accounts with S. He blew a few accounts, and it was so obvious that take away Tesla, take away TLRY, Netflix, even in Nvidia, all those, almost 80% of his lost. You understand? 80% of his few accounts that he just blew up. And we were talking about this like it's everything is there. You just ignore it. No, you're not ready for those. Those blow up your accounts. In other places, he's trading pretty nice, but it doesn't matter how nice because the damage that those stocks did to him is unrepaired. So I like to trade those stocks, but you need to understand how to trade them. They have a different kind of stop, different kind of temper. They can do beautiful things, and they can do bad things. Just be aware. Just understand. If you see and it's moving too fast for you, step away until you feel enough secure and go back. XAV. Okay. So yeah. Make a journal, guys. Most of you are not doing. How many of you are doing a journal every day? Put in your trades. Again, I don't care about entry, but just comments. How many of you doing that? Probably I'm not going to get a lot of answers, but this is where you put a print of what you did, and you can go back and see. And every good stuff and bad stuff that you do, I'll just expose. You don't do it, will fade away together with your accounts. Yeah, you have to. Again, it doesn't have to be complicated, really. You can simplify it. And Glenn, you just started. Glenn, don't. How long do you trade, Glenn? You are here. Not may do it. Not may do. You have to do it every day. Oh, I thought you're a new trader. You're new in the room. Correct. Glenn from New York. Okay. It's good. It's like the DNA of your trading, guys. And if you have this DNA, you actually can find your disease. Very easy. Very easy. So the market is I'm trying to see what's going on. If you have something you want me to look at, give me a sign. Still looking. Yeah, we see what Tradenet was all about. Heard good things about it. Thank you. And I look back at my journal and try and get out of My winners. Yeah. Any change on? You're changing it? Your big loss, I assume you stop to get the big loss, no? Not little. You have to do much better. Not little. Not little. Jason, there are so many reasons, you know. You can start first with the word if it was you could justify it or just a second.
Guys, I want to wish everybody Merry Christmas. Enjoy this holiday with the family. Forget about trading for 24 or 48 hours. And see, of course, Wednesday. Merry Christmas, Clifton, Gabrielle, everybody. See you guys Wednesday. Let's hope that the market won't go to zero till then.
I can.
See you, Amir.
From hero to zero. Yeah. Bye, Michael. I'm going to be here until the end, guys, so don't worry. SGMS, let's see, SGMS. I was looking at SGMS. Analyze what I see here. SGMS. Looks pretty nice above 16. Question is, if the market is not going according to our way, it's going to give us a vibe, bad vibe. Let's analyze this a little bit more. Which time do we have for this candle? SGMS 2 cents. And 16 is the trigger. I'm gonna take half size. You know what? going to take half size of this GMS above 16. We'll give it like 20 cents. And we'll do it a scalp. We'll do a quick move. I won't have enough. I'm not gonna get enough patient for that. If it's gonna hit our trigger, I'm gonna be very tight with reducing and all those issues. That's GMS looking just beautiful. Probably it's gonna be our last trade. Okay. Yeah, I know, Alfred. I was looking at this at the beginning of the CGC. Okay. That's GMS. Okay. We see it in a big angle, very strong resistance around 30. Okay, so 7 cents. Come on, let's do it. Let's make it fast trade, okay? Let's make it a fast trade. No spreads, good. Even though I would like to see the spreads now in our favor. HTB. HTB. HTB, oh sure. This is the right. How to borrow. Okay, 10 cents. We have now 3 minutes. I want to see us going above the 11. Market is doing a little bit something. I don't know really what. Okay, we have 10 cents. Okay, good. 11, 12. Have to wait like 2 minutes, the end of this candle, and then we can decide how to handle these trades. Okay, we're done with the candle. Yeah. I'm raising my stop under 90, so I'm cutting my stop 10 cents. And good, good, nice, 15, 16, 14. Let's go over the 20. Let's reach the 30. Good. 16 cents. Who is with me? SJMS? Who with me? Good. Me. It's not a good coin. Yeah, it was a good. It was looking good. Alvin, good. 20 cents. Nice, nice. I'm going to raise my stop under my entry. I'm not taking it a partial, but I'm not going to lose here. I'm going to raise my stop. I told you I'm going to be defensive. Volume is good. We have above million. We have 7%. Doesn't have connection to the market, this kind of stock. OSTK. OSTK there's nothing to do though. Okay, 21 cents, guys. Good, good. Up, up. Want to see it up. Looking beautiful. Let's get to the 30. Up, up. 30, 23 cents. Okay, good. We need to encourage it. Let's encourage it.
Yes!
Okay, let's see if it helps. No, we scared it. Okay. We need 2 full green candles that's going to finish at the high. Okay, nice, nice, nice. Wow. Wow, that was quick. That was quick. That was quick. I didn't catch nothing, but 2 cents from here, I'm going to be out. Let's see if we can hold. No, I'm out. Okay. I was waiting for the 30, but nobody asked me. SPY is much weaker than the Nasdaq, than Apple, Dow Jones is a little bit more. Market has a lot of things to think about it. More. How can you say that? How can you say that, Jason? We are looking at the same charts. Look at GMS. The beautiful move, 9%, over a million. Did the retracement the first time to the view up, gave a nice solid stop, then come back to the same trend. And OSTK, the beginning the same, then did the retracement, but then in the last hour and something, it just moving to the side and doesn't know what it wants to do. There is a huge difference between them. No. The volume is not the key. 800, almost 900, and the other one a little bit more than 1 million. It's not. Look at the. I always think about the example of each art is like a picture in the museum. You know, if you see a beautiful picture, do you want to stay, or like a beautiful formation, or it's just something that's it's not worth wasting time. And OSTK, definitely, look, the last hour and something is just wasting time. And as GMS, just look beautiful, really. Beautiful, even though I'm out, sent under my entry, and it can go now above the 30 and just move high, but it's okay, you know, this was my plan, and I'm not changing it because I don't feel like. I had a plan and we discussed it about it even before, and that's it. Yeah, Amir, I know. I see it. Yeah. The key that you can take from this trade is, you know, there was a decision, and then when it did 20 cents or something, I told you I'm raising my stop, and then when it passed the 20 or something, it was too early for me to take the partial, but then I told you I'm going to raise my stop under the entry. So, and at the beginning, I took half position, so I lost 3 cents on half position. It's fine. And I think it was worth it. So not every losing or something trade has to be ended in a dramatic way, you know, like a big dramatic loss. Sometimes, you know, you dip your feet in the water, check it, and if it works, okay. And if the water is too cold, just take it out. Very simple. Very simple. And weekly and the monthly of the SPY. It's been a while since I see this kind of. No, I haven't seen. You know, I started at 2009. I was starting on the bull market. So from time to time there was, you know, correction. But in my time, I didn't see those kind of bars in the continuous bars in the markets. So it's even new to me. Where did you enter, Marine, Mike? Ten. Mm, I don't know what did you see on 10, but it was a nice opportunity under 10.30, under 10.50. You see a nice pattern. Yeah, I see. I see it. Yeah. It depends, Glenn. The different brokers has different stock and opportunity, that you can trade them. Be different environment, to come back and examine what the market will do, because we have to look at the big picture. There is a drop of the market. SPY, I think, is negative. How much? Approximately 11, 12 cent, 12. So it's not it's considered, I think, a bear market. Bear market on the SPY it has to be under 20%. Something that you can actually say that the Nasdaq is more than, and Dow Jones probably also. Yeah, the market looks to me like it's going to break. So we're going to have a new environment. Again, we have to measure and trade it carefully, analyze what we see, and according to this, make a decision. Don't jump into the conclusion that right now just one way, or just like we did today. We did up, we did down. We measure, we can go back to each trade, you can understand exactly, and you have everything in the announcement. You can check it, and if you have questions, you can email me. Every trade, the ones that were profitable and the ones that we even lost, as a reason. The entry, stop the partials. This is what we should do all the time. Question, guys? Because I don't think trades we're gonna do. We have like 10 minutes. Welcome. Thank you, CJ. Great holiday. Yeah. Get a big present. Give a big present. And start fresh. You come in this week or you come in next year. Yeah. It's a good time to analyze what you did, how to fix, how to be better. Mostly give, yeah. But it's good, if you give present to your lovers, it's considered a higher level than just receiving. There is a sentence that says that it's higher level to love than be loved. Yeah. Happy, yeah. Thank you, Phil. We have to be mushy, huh? With all those compliments and all those, yeah. It's the first time we're gonna be mushy. It's okay. Yeah, I'm doing 2 days, I'm going away from my wife, for 2 days, coming back on Thursday. Thank you, Sean. How many trades did you do, Jason? $11. Wow. Thank you, Jared. It's too much. It's too much. It's too much. Honestly, every trade you had to be there or not? How many of them? 30% are mistakes or what? Demon. I don't think. I'm looking. I can identify the stock if it was a demon. No. Probably there was an option, and I discussed with Michael. Around 1035 above the high, I think this could be entry 1382, probably 20-cent stop. It did reduce something, and if it came back, you should be. So I don't think we're supposed to, it was a demon, really. No, again, it doesn't matter. I don't care. The question was, did you know all the information you need? Regarding risk reward, regarding partial area, regarding where you're stopping. Did you know everything before you got into those? To do 11 trades today, I think it's a fat finger. You were too busy in pushing, really. Because there is a reason why I like to ask you how many trades, because I get the sense, and between 3, 4, I think was the right number today. But 11, unacceptable. Unacceptable. Forgive me about my honesty, but yeah, you should know that. Holding MU. Yeah, there was a stop in MU. I think I was out. Mm. Why are you still there? Question, Thomas. No, mate. First, you never do this might. Might dangerous. You have a plan. You see, MU. This was the plan for MU. Under 29.15, 25 cents stop, meaning above 40. If it's gonna break the 29, we will add. I start with half position. That's it. There's no might. Every day is no might, specifically today because we have a short day. So, no. Okay? There is things that you can do. You don't just leave a trade because nobody knows / care that you need to leave the house. So you need to manual in some way the trade when you're not there. UXCN. Good. Good analysis, Jason. Because then you could make you a big damage. You got to 30, so in my language, instead of 25 cents, you had almost 85 cents, so it's 3 times the loss that you should had. And if the market was getting up and it was above the V up MU, you would get enormous loss, really, enormous. Wow, you know, you know. Great. I think we can say bye-bye. Okay? Great Christmas. See you on Thursday. Bye. Guy, have a great Merry Christmas. I see you on Thursday. Okay?